man himself, Joao Pedro, the complete striker, the striker who doesn't need so many chances before he scores. Joao Pedro, the best striker in the world, the best striker in the Premier League. Ladies and gentlemen, Joao Pedro score again. Joao Pedro score. See, this man, he don't even know the difference between serious football and non-serious football or pre-season football or Club World Cup football or no. Joao Pedro, like he doesn't even know the difference. No. Like any game he's scoring. Joao Pedro, like he just like scoring. Like I'm going to score. Since Diogo Costa up to now, Chelsea, we have been struggling to sign a striker. We went for Timo Werner. Yes, we went for Morata and Co, Lukaku and Co. Things didn't work until when we met Joao Pedro. Joao Pedro, where were you? Joao Pedro, last season when we were suffering, when we were calling for a striker? To wala she yakada be Joao Pedro. Oh, to wala she yakada be. Katemi sir chances si. Oh, Joao Pedro, Arabiani, Matarana po Premier League ma. Oh, Joao Pedro, Arabiani, Matarana win Premier League ma. To wala she yakada be Joao Pedro. Guys, Joao Pedro is now a complete striker. Joao Pedro is now scoring goals for fun. Estevao Williams. Welcome to Chelsea Football Club. His first game in blue shirt. This man has already scored. 18 years player. But when he is playing, he is looking like a player who is already in his prime. Estevao Williams. Guys, I told you that this guy is bringing Ballon d'Or to Chelsea. I told you that this guy is winning as Ballon d'Or. See, what did I observe from Estevao Williams in this game? How do I see him in this game? Guys, one thing I like from this player is he's hungry. He's hungry to score. Estevao doesn't see the net. No. He doesn't see the net. Anytime that he see the net, he want to pull the ball there. He want to put the ball at the back of the net. And that should be the character, the attitude of a player playing for Chelsea. As a player, if you are playing for Chelsea, make sure that at the end of the day, you score. At the end of the day, you win. At the end of the day, Chelsea win. That matters. Even in Chelsea, draw is loose. So I can see this young guy, hunger, enthusiasm, zeal, confidence. See, I can see a complete attacker here. Estevao Williams. This guy, anytime that he's on the ball, he is looking dangerous. This guy, anytime that he's on the ball, his movement on the ball is superb. So, Estevao, in fact, what we saw, guys, let's hope he sent it to the Premier League. Because imagine Estevao send this performance to the Premier League next season. And I know he is sending it to the Premier League next season. Imagine he sent this performance to the Premier League. Who is stopping Estevao Williams? Who is stopping this young man? Which defender? Mention no defender in the Premier League is stopping this young baller. Is stopping this young talented baller. No player. No. So first of all, guys, Estevao Williams, his hungry nature to score, him being dangerous on the ball, he always want to shoot. This game, he was not just shooting the ball on the air. No. He was hitting on target. No. Let's come to another new signing in this game. Emergence also came on and Heto started in this game. Let's come to Heto before we come to Emergence. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you, hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to Heto. In fact, no wonder Liverpool wanted to sign him. No wonder Liverpool was pushing to sign this young player. At the end, he chose Chelsea. At the end, he rejected Liverpool. Guys, I saw a complete left back. I saw a defender. See, these our players, 17, 18, 20, but when they are playing, like they are looking like more advanced age or more experienced players. But look at Heto in this game. It didn't just look like his first game. He just joined this week. But when he was playing, he wasn't shivering, no pressure on him. He's tackling on points. Everything about Heto in this game was on point. Yes, I was waiting to see what our new players will give it to us, the performance they will show in this game. But so far, so good. Super fantastic, marvelous. He had one tackling, he won one tackling. Yes, he just pushed the guy and just remove the ball from the player legs. No, this is what we want as a Chelsea defender. Don't make it easy against attackers. Make it difficult, cumbersome against attackers. And so far, so good for Heto in this game also. And Jamie Gittins, the skillful Jamie Gittins, the dribbler. Yes, I can see another player who want to release the ball. Not like Jordan Sancho or Madueke. Someone who dribble. No. Immediately, Jamie Gittins dribble 1, 2, 3. He's shooting or he's passing the ball. 1, 2, 3. He's shooting or passing the ball. And see, number one role of a winger, taking on your markers. After you taking on your markers, make the right decision, make the correct decision, make the quick decision. And I saw Gittins to be that player. No. He is a complete skillful player. But in this game, he made sure that anytime that he dribbled 1, 2, or 3, he released the ball. So far, so good for Gittins also. Let's hope this guy send this performance, yes, to our next season Premier League. And Delap also started, not bad. He had one chance. Yes, he was supposed to score. I can see the improvement from Delap. I can see the hunger. Delap also want to impress. Yes, he want to bring that competition between him and Joao Pedro. And let's come to the man himself, Joao Pedro, the complete striker. The striker who doesn't need so many chances before he scores. Joao Pedro, the best striker in the world, the best striker in the Premier League. Ladies and gentlemen, Joao Pedro score again. Joao Pedro score. See, this man, he don't even know the difference between serious football and non-serious football or pre-season football or Club World Cup football. No. Joao Pedro, like he doesn't even know the difference. No. Like any game he's scoring. Joao Pedro, like he just like scoring. Like I'm going to score. This game, look at him. Second half he came. See, I keep on saying this every day. As a player playing for a big team, you don't need 90 minutes to prove that you are a good player. As a player playing for a team like Chelsea, you don't need Maresca to give you 90 minutes before you prove to the whole world or Chelsea fans that you are good. Look at Joao Pedro. He doesn't need so many chances. Boom. Look at Joao Pedro. Apart from the Club World Cup final he started, the rest of the goal that he scored, he came on as a substitute. Yes, and he delivered. This is why we've been crying. See, guys, we are just lucky. We should thank God that Chelsea signed Joao Pedro. He is now a player who solved our striking problem. Since Diogo Costa up to now, Chelsea, we have been struggling to sign a striker. We went for Timo Werner. Yes, we went for Morata and Co, Lukaku and Co. Things didn't work until when we met Joao Pedro. Joao Pedro, where were you, Joao Pedro, last season when we were suffering? When we were calling for a striker, to wala she yakada be Joao Pedro. Oh, to wala she yakada be katemi sir chances. Oh, Joao Pedro, Arabiani, Materana Premier League ma. Oh, Joao Pedro, Arabiani, Materana win Premier League ma. To wala she yakada be Joao Pedro. Guys, Joao Pedro is now a complete striker. Joao Pedro is now scoring goals for fun. And let's talk about the incoming Ballon d'Or winner. Let's just talk about him, touch him small. Yes, Cole Palmer, the best player in the world. You can't compare. You can't just compare. Mbappe, Vinicius, Bellingham, Messi. Who? You can't compare Mohamed Salah. No. Cole Palmer is a standout. Cole Palmer is unique. Talented Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer hasn't stopped, guys. This game, we saw Cole Palmer. The goal that Estevao scored, he created that. Yes, Cole Palmer was about to score a goal. It came back. Estevao put it at the back of the net. Cole Palmer hasn't stopped. See, I can't even differentiate Cole Palmer again. Cole Palmer, please, this is a new season. Stop. And you say you won't stop. Cole Palmer keep on delivering, showing us that fantastic, marvelous, good performance. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not talk a lot about Cole Palmer. The world now know who is Cole Palmer. And let's come to this game itself. Yes, what I observed as a Chelsea fan, what we saw in this game. First of all, I saw quick passes. It has been a long time I see my Chelsea like this. No. The Chelsea I used to know was back passes, sideways passes. But this game, look at the way we were building from the back. It was so quick, faster. Yes, Chalobah, to the full backs, Reece James to Gusto. Like our passes was on point, quick passes. Nobody was delaying the ball. No. Nobody was giving back passes. Immediately one player get the pass, he's trying to progress with the ball. He's trying to move with the ball. He's trying to attack with the ball. Yes, this game show everything. Yes, this is a preseason game, but what we saw is promising. What we saw, we like it. We like it. And let's come to another one, the possession. The way and manner we were able to control the game, hold the game. See, by Leverkusen is not a bad team, but because we made it difficult, because we didn't allow them to have the ball. Before any team can score against you, that team must have the ball. That is the number one rule. A team cannot score when the team doesn't have the ball. So Chelsea, this game, we hold the ball off from Bayer Leverkusen. We were controlling the ball. We were possessing. Yes. And you can also use possession to defend in football. Football defending doesn't only mean sitting back. No. You can also use possession whilst you are passing around. Time is going. Football play 90 minutes. Yes, time is going. The time that the opponent will see, time has gone, and you send your home. Yes, you are winning home. So, guys, I can see good possession. Yes, Chelsea was controlling the game very, very well. And another thing I like about this game, Enzo Maresca giving chances. Gave chance to our young players, Esugo and Co, Andros Santos and Co, Anchu and all the young guys from the academy, yes, so that they can play. Even Achampong also played very well. George also started, so that is good. So far, so good. And the overall tactics, Enzo Maresca spot it on. Yes, this is a preseason. We can't use preseason to determine our future or what we can do in the Premier League next season. But what we saw is so far promising, as I said. Enzo Maresca tactics work well in this game on point. Let's hope we continue as that and injury run away from this our team. It is only injuries that can stop Chelsea. I'm telling you, by not winning the Premier League or by not winning the Champions League. So we pray that injuries run away. Already gotten Liverpool. Yes, we pray that these games. That was my prayers when I was watching this game. Injury. So ladies and gentlemen, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. How do you see this game? Yes, so far, do you see Chelsea competing for the Premier League? Looking at this game, can we compete next season in the Premier League and in the Champions League? Yes. And what do you like about this game? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans and Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And today, I gave you another video about, yes, FIFA now considering to give Chelsea a spot for the Club World Cup 2029. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.